Is your smoke detector safe? This is a must-see video for everybody. I could not believe that my smoke detectors did not work. They're a 10-year smoke detector. They're supposed to last for 10 years. And it had only been a few years. The light was on. Everything looked like it was working. And it was around Christmas time. I thought, well, you know, it's Christmas time, New Year. Let's check and see. Check out the video and see what happens. So during research for this video, I pulled up Kidde recall, and sure enough, that smoke detector has been recalled. So if you have any Kidde products, check to make sure there's no recalls on them. It could save your family.
So here I am. I'm looking at my smoke detector. Everything looks great. Let's see if it works. Press and hold. And nothing. But the light's still on, saying everything's good to go. Operate. Oh well. Now I'm going to replace these guys. I didn't know they weren't working. Let's test them in the garage and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to twist. They've got good batteries in them, but these are actually wired. I have a set upstairs and it also shuts off the furnace. So, I mean, it's wired perfectly. I don't understand what's going on with this guy. So I'm going to test this out in the garage here. I lit a piece on fire. You can see the smoke coming right up through the smoke detector. The operate light is on. It's hard to see with the... There you go. You can see it there. I thought Kidde was the best brand. Let's try this guy out here too. There's quite a bit of smoke coming up there. I mean, if the house was filled with smoke like that, I'd be dead. And this guy also has the operate light on it. I did not know there was an issue. These are 10 years. The carbon monoxide, and it speaks to you when there's a problem. Like it tells you, hey, there's a problem here. Carbon monoxide, it warns you. Oh well, just wanted to make a video and show it to you. Check your smoke detectors. Okay, so what I did is I went out and I bought these 10-year ones. These are the professional. We shall see. I can't open it with one hand, so when I get the box open, I'll re-video again. Okay, so this thing's got a little baggie. Do not remove the dust cover until you're ready to put it in. I would try and test these guys with the smoke, but I don't want to, just in case something happens. Whoops. I don't need the outer ring because I already have this style set up. It's pretty easy to change. That's what it looks like. Let's go set it up. Okay, so basically all I'm going to do is plug this guy here into that guy there, put it up and twist, and it'll be in place. Another thing that I liked about this one is you always forget when you get them. This guy says replace in 2029. So let's see if this works. Okay, as soon as I plug the power in, and it did take a couple seconds to get it in, you make sure it's hanging right. It was only gripping onto one peg instead of the 3 pegs. So it's a push test button, so let's push the test button. I guess that's it.
Fire through. Warning, carbon monoxide, monoxide de carbone.
French and English. Interesting. And that's basically it. Now she's back to solid again. Well, I gotta go do this upstairs now. So get a load of this. 3 days later, after I put the smoke to it, now it starts going off. I don't know. I'm not too pleased with this whole setup.
Well, as you may have guessed, I am not recommending the Kidde brand anymore. I thought it was safe. I thought my family was protected, and apparently they weren't. And I didn't know. If the light went out, or something else had happened, or it was beeping, or something else, I'd say, hey, let's do something about this. But I didn't know. And that's probably the worst part of this. It's Home Depot's main brand, so I'm not slagging on Home Depot or anything. It's just, if I would have known, it would have been so much better. Because I don't have a problem replacing stuff. I just have a problem not knowing and thinking that I'm covered when I'm not. That's probably my biggest rant. Hey, if you got something out of this video, please like and subscribe. It's free. It'll help me out. Just click on the icon on my face and I'll do the rest. Have a good night and check your smoke detector. Be safe. Thanks for watching.